Hey, welcome back to another video. Noobtography, guys. I haven't done a video in a little bit just because of the holidays and everything else, and my rig was kind of set up the way I wanted it to. But as you can see, still have it the way I showed in the last video with all the gear on it. And I thought I was done, but of course I wasn't. But I like this setup with this specific arm that's used on this SmallRig set, because with all the extra holes, it really allowed me to do the next step, what I wanted to do. This is not really a review on these wireless mics, but this is the one I'm going with, and I really like the way it's set up, and the clips on it work perfect. And the microphone actually sounds pretty good. So when I'm doing in-person interviews, what I plan to do is use the mics, because then I can clip on a mic to somebody doing an interview with me, and it would work out perfect. And I still have the mic setup that's on here, the front and back microphone, but this is solely so when I start doing these shows where I just do interviews. So what I'm going with is the MOMAN microphone set. I really like it. It works well. The batteries last quite a bit. Let's see if I can turn it on there. It's got an LCD IPS screen. So what I plan to do is turn that on. So I'm just using one of these cold shoes mounts, and this was the best option for me, how I wanted to do it with make sense. So I'm using the 1/4 hole on this side here, and I'm just screwing it on, and it worked out perfect because of the layout. The screw doesn't go in too much. It's perfect without using spacers, but perfectly tight right here. And then what I could do is mount the microphone right to the cold shoe, because these clips, they're designed to fit on the cold shoe also. So it snaps on right there, and then I just plug in the wire right to it. So now I have the wire connected to it, and that's it. So then I have my TX part. This is the receiver, and I could just leave it here when I'm not using it. And then when I'm going to do an interview or something like that, when I go to the shows, I just pop it off, clip it on, or put the microphone on. Even for myself, if I mount the camera to the tripod, I can walk around, and the microphone works really well. I've done it at least 100 feet, no problem at all. And then I can do my own filming. So again, I'm a beginner, guys. I'm not giving advice. I'm just showing my rig, my builds, and I think I definitely like the way it's turning out with that. It's heavy, but not as heavy as you think when you got two hands on, especially with this battery handle. It worked out perfect. So, but that's my setup as of now, guys. My updated setup with my microphone set. So, again, I hope you guys appreciate me doing these videos on my setup, and all the links are in my profile, the description, not profile. So, anyways, that's about it, guys. Noobtography. I'm out. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification. Appreciate it.